What's going on, you guys? It's Randy with Full Throttle Obsessions. Today we got a little project going on a car that you've probably seen in quite a few of my videos. It's a 1941 Plymouth. This was my grandpa's project. When he picked it up, it was just a shell. It was sitting in someone's backyard for about 40 years. He took this car down to the frame and cleaned up the frame and pretty much built it from the ground up. Unfortunately, he never got the time to finish it. He put a small block Chevy with a Chevy Camaro front clip. He put the front clip in because he wanted disc brakes in the front. Now this car has been sitting for about 4 years now. So what I went ahead and did, I went ahead and took all the spark plugs out. We're going to put some oil down each of the cylinders to lube up the cylinder walls and the rings before we go ahead and crank it over. Now my goal for right now, I just want to get it running and get it registered and get it back on the road. I know the transmission has a little leak. We got to find out where it's leaking from and get that fixed. And get some rims and tires, but I'm going to leave it primered for right now. Show you guys the inside. My grandpa redid the interior. And so he did the headliner, the seats, painted the dash and put some carpet in it. He also did the door panels. Now it's got suicide doors, which is kind of hard to show you because we're in the shipping container right now. Well, I was using it for storage for a little while, but we're going to get all this crap out of here and get it all cleaned up. Try and show you guys the side of it there. It's really hard because it's stored in my shipping container right now. We're going to go ahead and get along and get this thing started and get it pulled out. But another thing I'm going to do is we're going to change out this metal gas tank here and put an aluminum fuel cell. I got the fuel cell ordered. It should be here within the next couple days. Just kind of clean it up and give it a little bit more sleek look, I guess you could say, a little bit more modern. But alright, the goal for today is to get this thing fired up and get it pulled out. That way we could clean it off and maybe run the motor a little bit. Maybe even take it for a little cruise. Let's go ahead and do it. Alright, you guys, we went ahead and put some oil down each of the spark plug holes and cranked the motor. We had a little problems with the starter. I couldn't get the starter to engage. So I ended up jacking the car up and tapping the starter with the mallet. Got everything turning, put the spark plugs back in, and we put a little fuel down the carburetor. I'm going to get these back doors open and we'll go ahead and give it a shot. Alright, we got the charger on it. I went ahead and tapped the starter. We're having a little starter issue, so hopefully it'll go ahead and crank once I tapped it. Plus it's got a little more amps coming in from the charger. We'll definitely have to replace that in the future, but for now we're going to see if it'll get us by. Well, alright you guys, we got it to fire a couple times. Unfortunately, it wasn't enough to get the fuel from the gas tank to the carburetor until the starter killed over on us. I tried to tap it a couple more times to see if I could get it to kick in, but there's no go this time. Just to be 100% sure, I went in and put a ratchet on the bottom of the crank pulley to turn it over to make sure we didn't flood it or something dumb like that, but it's turning freely, so it definitely is a starter. Now I don't want to jack it up in here again like I did earlier, just because this is a wood floor and it was definitely creaking and making some unsettling noises. So I'm going to go ahead and wait till someone's over here to help me push this out of the container here and get it actually in the garage so I could jack it up on concrete. That way, just to be safer, I don't want to be all the way underneath this thing and it go through that floor for any weird reason. But I'm happy to hear this thing run. See, we got that small block Chevy right there. Happy to hear it run. It's getting me excited. So hopefully the next day or two I'm able to get a starter for this thing, and we'll go ahead and continue from there. If you guys like these kind of videos, go ahead and let me know in the comments below and we'll definitely do some more. But alright, as always, if you like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.